Welcome back, everybody. I hope you guys had a wonderful week or weekend. If you are new, welcome. My name is Rachel and this is my beauty channel. I hope you guys can subscribe and push that notification button down below so you are notified of every time I upload a video. And so today's video, I'm just going to go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing for January. I got my phone ready so we can do calculations to see how much our box is worth. So here is my Boxycharm, and as soon as I open it, it just comes like this. It's a really nice box. This is just like an overview of every product. It tells me how much the prices are and everything, and then it comes with this nice foam so that your product doesn't get damaged. And here is what my box looks like. So to start off, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my table. To start off, I see the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer, which is this here, and it retails for $25. And it says that is a lightweight undercover concealer is a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural flawless finish infused with vitamin E and galactorabinin to keep skin moisturized and to rejuvenate and improve the skin's appearance. The angle doe foot applicator is easy to use and precisely applies the velvety soft formula to visibly brighten the complexion and cover dark circles. This blendable long-wear concealer is great for all skin types. So this is what it looks like, and they sent me the color 294H, so hopefully it matches. But here's the wand. This is what the wand looks like. I've never seen it before. A wand like that. Anyways, as a lipstick, yes, but as a concealer, no. So I'm eager to try that out. The next thing I have in here is the Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette, which comes bubble wrapped so it doesn't get ruined. This is what the packaging looks like, and this retails for $34.99, and it has 12 colors. It's a beautiful sunrises and sunset witnessed. So let's go ahead and open this up. So again, the packaging is the same as the original packaging, just this nice like a flower like detail, kind of nice foil. And when you open it up, it does have a very large mirror, and then it has a plastic protector, and then it comes with the 12 with these shades here. I like that they're big and squared, and I like that there is you know, a variety of shades in here. You can do a daytime look with this and go from day to night very easily, or you know, use that as a traveling palette or whatever. It does have some pop-up colors, has 1 2 3 4 shimmers, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 mattes in here. So can't wait to try that out. And the next thing is the Skin&Co Roma Truffle Therapy Face Homage, which is this right here, and it says it's a polishing micro exfoliating truffle face, and this retails for $28. And it says that A delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance. Truffle Therapy Face Gommage is a lush formula combining the best of the iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and the luxury Italian spa experience. A beauty cabinet staple, the Truffle Therapy Face Gommage features sweet almond oil, gentle apricot seed powder, and our unique and exclusive black winter truffle extract, which has a high concentration of superoxide dismutase, a powerful free radical scavenger that reduces the signs of aging, gently buff away and erase dull, lackluster skin, revealing a more luminous and healthy complexion. So I'm not going to be able to try this out just because I already have a full face, and I usually do my prep of my skin before I get on here and film. So I will be trying this out either tonight or tomorrow, and I will let you guys know down in the description what I think about it. So the next thing that is on here, or the next thing that is in my box, is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. And this retails for $22. And I actually do have this already, so I'm going to keep it in this package and probably do a giveaway. I really do enjoy it, actually a lot, and I will read you the description that they have. The Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask is a bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that soothes and perfects skin overnight. This pillow-proof formula acts as a radiance-boosting face mask, formulating with soothing amino acid-rich watermelon extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and pore-refining AHAs that work while you sleep to gently exfoliate and clarify. So there's that. And the last thing I have here is the Kevin Studio Matte Liquid Lip Stain, and this is what the formula looks like. They gave me the shade Thick Skin, and this retails for $17. I've never heard of this brand before, so we will see. Okay, so it looks, I like the packaging. This is what it looks like. It kind of reminds me of the KKW packaging. And I will do a little swatch, and it's just a nice brown color. And this says that it is, if you're a full coverage enthusiast, this matte liquid lip stain satin is your superhero. Your extremely pigmented formula gives you a true matte finish in one coat with 12-hour performance. Again, this retails for $17. So I do believe the box is $25 a month, and with all of these products all together, it comes out to $126.99. So I mean, you are paying for more than what you are, you know, you're getting more than what you're paying for overall, which I think is a great thing if you're into makeup and you want to try something new every month. To subscribe to Boxycharm, give it a try, and see how you like it. So that is it for that. I'm going to go ahead and do a try on. I will add a little bit of this concealer. I do have some on already, but you know, why not give it a try? And the color looks okay. I'm not sure. Okay. I mean, it's a good concealer. I will have to try it again without a full face of makeup like I have right now. So the next thing I do want to try is this palette. So I'm going to go ahead and get a few brushes here. I'm going to start out with this brush here, and I'm going to go ahead and I am going to put Lotus into my crease, which is this nice pink shade here. And I'm going to bring that down onto the lid as well. So I really do like this color. I really like how it's looking. With the same brush, I'm gonna go ahead and put Crimson, which is this nice orange color. I'm going to put that into the crease as well. And then with a fluffier brush, I'm going to blend out the top edge. I really do like that orange color a lot, actually. It's a very nice color for summer and for spring. And then I am going to take this brush from actually with this same brush, with this orange one, I'm gonna pick up some of hibiscus, which is that nice orange shimmer here, and just put that right onto the lid. Which that's not working, so I'm gonna go in with a flat brush with this one here, and I'm gonna spray a little bit of spray on it, and I'm gonna use the NYX Bear With Me. And then put that on to my lid. Yes. So for the glitters, I do recommend just spraying it so you get, you know, just so that you get more of that glitter on there. And then going back in with this brush, since there's not a lot of product, I'm going to be going in with Sangria, which is this bottom color here. Just like that. And then again going and just buffing that out. And then with this brush here, I'm going to be picking up some of that orange again, which is crimson, just to blend it out, just to keep that like orangey look in there. Just like that. And then for the bottom lashes, I'm going to go in with crimson. And then I am going to do an inner corner, which I'm going to go in with Maui, which is this nice pink color here. So just like that is the finish look. I know it's like bam, a lot of pink. I'm going to re-curl my lashes. And then for lips, let's go ahead and try on this lip gloss or lip stain. So I really do like this color. It looks darker. It looked darker when I was swatching it. But in person, it's actually not bad. So this is what the finished look looks like. I know the eyes are really dramatic, but again, this palette is a more dramatic palette. I would say I would say it's better for summer or spring kind of palette. I did like the lip and the concealer. I will have to try out on its own, and I cannot wait to try the face exfoliating thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short little tutorial of the unboxing of my January Boxycharm, as well as a try on of the products. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe and to like this video. Bye guys.